Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to show seconds in Windows 10 clock. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click Advanced. Right-click New D-Word 32-bit value. Type Show, Seconds, in, System, Clock, SSIS and C are capital letters. Change value data to 1. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.